Hello and welcome to this video looking at how you can use the Form Approvals add-on in Google Forms to help students collaborate on work before submitting to their teachers. So you find the add-on under the jigsaw piece here, and it's Form Approvals we're going to select. So you can see the add-on is ready. Now we need to add in our question. So we're going to treat this as an example of where students might submit pieces of writing for an editorial piece in a student life newspaper or something like that. They might want to write their own piece and then submit it to either another student or a team of students for review. Then they will approve or deny the piece of work and then send it to the teacher for final publication or submission as an assignment. So let's take it as a student newspaper example. So we've written the question, please write your submission for the student newspaper here. We're going to change it from multiple choice and we're going to change it to paragraph. We could use file upload to allow students to add Word documents or PDF documents, but there is a file size limitation. If we leave it as paragraph, students can paste the link into their completed Google Doc should they wish to complete it in there, or they can just write it in as long text in this form. So in Form Approvals then, we're going to add the student editorial team as the first people to review the material. So we've popped their email address in and we're going to click More, and it's Other Recipient Settings. And we're going to say that the students need to recommend. They're not going to be the final approvers, they're going to recommend. There are other options here, but this is the one we're going to choose today. And we're going to insert our private message. So we've written our message. Please review it. If you're happy, recommend it to the teacher for submission. And we're going to close that. Now we're going to go back to add recipient again, and this time we're going to put the teacher's email address. So we've put the teacher's email address in, and we're going to go 3 dots, other recipient settings again, and this time they need to approve. So we've added our message saying it's been recommended by the student editorial team and submitted to you as the teacher for approval before publication. We'll click close. Then we're going to go here for set receiving order, and we're just going to click that button, and it's going to say the student gets it first and the teacher gets it second. And we're going to save that rule. When someone submits this form, then the student is going to be asked to read it. Do they recommend it? If they do, it will then be sent to the teacher for final approval before submission. And that's how you use Form Approvals in Google Forms for students to collaborate before submitting work to teachers for a final submission.